We're here at Hotel Indigo here in Columbus, and oh boy, oh no, we have some lovely Abells here to ride. Oh gosh, that's an Abell thing, of course.
Let's see what Jay thinks about these.
So far, I don't like the door operator.
Yeah, we can tell Jay already doesn't like these. But yeah, we're at the Hotel Indigo in Columbus, and Jay is getting to see the lovely Abells.
Whoa, what the heck was that?
No clue. This thing is...
I mean, it's a nice hotel, but they stole these elevators.
That sounds horrible. Cab view. The fan is out in the open. You can see it right there.
And just a minute, I don't know what the hell is all those things. Oh, and yes, it's not a lift, it's an elevator.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good. Just give me 1 second. We'll switch here.
I'll get you.
How are you guys today?
Doing good. How about you?
I'm good, thanks.
I'll let you do the honors.
Oop, here we go. Oop.
Yes.
Turn you around. Okay, let's see if this one's any better. This one's got a decent motor. You can literally hear the other elevator's door operator. That's how loud that one is. Oh, that's lovely. That is a violent door.
It's like we could get a fan.
Right out in the open, that's wonderful.
It's part of the cab design, I think.
Yeah, it doesn't have a ceiling tile. Neat lighting, though.
Yes. We have our favorite Bonds innovation in Russell.
Yes. Ready to get out?
Yeah.
Alright.
And all I'm going to say is, imagine if Menards built a hotel.
Oh, that would be something, alright.
And there goes the other elevator.
There it goes, yeah.
And I guess that is going to be it for me.